Hi guys, thanks again for buying Top Story Sites via my link. In this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about organically ranking your website in Google, and this is obviously by far the best way to do it because it means you're going to be getting a lot of traffic to your site, and you only need to set this up once. Okay, it does cost a little bit of money to do all of this stuff, but in the long run it's gonna save you from buying paid traffic, and it's gonna be free traffic basically for a long time to come. So it's a good idea to get this kind of stuff set up. Now, what I do recommend that you do is test out some of the pages that you've made and the offers that you're using with paid traffic first. Okay, make sure that they are making some money. The ones that are making the most money, then I strongly suggest that you SEO them and you get them up on Google. So to do that, in your Top Story Sites, inside your Top Story Sites dashboard, the page that you've made, you need to do quite a thorough on-page SEO of it. Okay, and I'll show you how to do that now. So SEO details, you need to make sure that you have a good title, and don't use the same title that has been used on the authority page. Change it, okay? The same goes with the description as well. Make sure you have your keywords in the description, and then make sure that you add keywords as well in the meta keywords part. Okay, also inside of get traffic, in the SEO section, you need to make sure that your website has a good title, and a good description and keywords as well. Okay, you can do this for story pages, category pages, title settings, XML sitemap. I strongly suggest you make one of them. They're pretty easy to do. You just go to where is it? XML sitemap. There's a free site that actually makes a sitemap for you. This one here, xmlsitemaps.com. You just paste in the URL of your site, and it's going to make a sitemap for you. Okay, you would download that, and then you would upload that into XML sitemap here. Okay, you need to make an RSS feed, webmaster settings. Okay, if you're confused about all of this stuff, then I suggest you go to Fiverr and you search for SEO. And you just find somebody on here who knows about on-page SEO, okay? And they are gonna check out your page. They're gonna do all of the stuff that I just told you now. Some of these gigs are quite expensive, so be prepared to pay professional prices for a professional to be able to do this. If you can learn to do this yourself, then obviously it's going to be better. Okay, but you will need to know how to do all of this stuff. Okay, next thing you need to do once your page has been optimized on page, go to a site called Conquer, and you're going to search for social signals. Right, what this is basically a bunch of different social sites that will send links to your site. They're not particularly efficient, but they do help. Okay, and this is the first step of what we call tiered link building. So you buy one of these. For this guy's going to send you 8,000, so that's a pretty good one to get. It's $16, and you would give him your link. You'd give him a few of the keywords that you're using on your story, and for he's gonna send 8,000 social signals to your site. Okay, after you've done that, this site is called Conquer.io, by the way, and it's kind of a cheaper version than Fiverr, and the people on here are generally more professional as well. You want to go to web. You want to type in Web 2.0 backlinks. Okay, hit enter. Here you go, 160 high PR Web 2.0 backlinks. So you might want to order this gig, although his feedback is pretty crap. You might want to find somebody better than that. 20 high PR 69 Web 2.0 backlinks for $5. That one will do it. Okay, again, give him your link. your URL, give him your keywords. After that, now if your website, you need to leave this for a few weeks, okay, or maybe even a month, and see if your website is ranking after doing the social signals and the Web 2.0 backlinks. If it's not, then you need to get what's called a PBN. So these are quite expensive. PBN, and here we go. This guy has the best PBNs. All right. I've used his services quite a few times before, and he does have some really good PBNs. And this, after you've done the social signals and the Web 2.0 backlinks, this is what's gonna put it to the top of Google. Okay, so it does cost $200, I know, but for free traffic to come to your website for months and months to come, and for you to monetize from that, you will make your $200 back. So that's the third stage of it. Again, you might not need to do this depending on whether your site ranks using just the social signals and the Web 2.0 backlinks, but if it doesn't, if it's still on kind of page 3, then get something like this, and that will knock it to page 1. Alright, so that's how to SEO your website. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me on Facebook. My Facebook page is facebook.com/JonoArmstrong1980. You can just add me on Messenger here, send me a message, and just let me know what the problem is, or just say you want to get in touch, and I'll add you and we can chat then. Okay, thanks for buying once again, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.